घोगळ हाऊसिंग बोर्ड वाठारात जाल्ल्या अली खानजादे खून प्रकरणात चारूय दुबावितांची मडगांवच्या जिल्लो आणि सत्र न्यायालयान पुलीस कस्टडी आनीक 5 दिसांनी वाडयली। चौगांचो रिमांड सोंपले उपरांत तांकां शेनवारा कोर्टात हाजीर केल्ले जाल्यार न्यायालयान तांची कस्टडी वाडयली। जाल्यार हेर 3 जाणांक न्यायालयीन कस्टडीची ख्यास्त सुनायल्या। 3 दुबावितांच्या जामीन अर्जाचेर 12 तारखेर सुनावणी जातली।
Today the accused number 2, 3, 4 म्हणजे आम्ही जी बेल फायल केली for 3 accused they were introduced before the JMFC for remand. It was their second remand. First remand when they were produced तांकां 7 दिसाचो remand दिल्लो. Now again the police were asking for the remand of more 7 days. So we argued the remand saying that ki police custody of the accused is not required, and based on the arguments the JMFC has granted the judicial custody. Now the accused has been taken to the judicial custody and the bail is kept on 12th Feb in the morning.
So total how many accused are there in this matter?
Total there are 10 accused. Some of the accused had filed anticipatory bail application. So it is pending before district court.
How many are involved in the murder case?
Pardon?
How many are involved in the murder?
Till as per this thing, police say what they had filed. The main accused number 1, their role they had shown as the main accused. Now the bail application we had filed for accused number as per the FIR is 789. So we have to see the role now. So based on the what they had filed, we'll argue the bail application.
So the accused number 1 is Akram.
Yes.